For a problem like 75, it says it takes you 30 minutes to rake the leaves in your yard. Okay, so again, this is one of those work problems. Okay, and so when you're dealing with a work problem, you need to figure out your rate of work times your time. That's what work is going to equal. Okay, so if you look at this, it takes you 30 minutes to rake leaves in your yard. So your rate is, again, you're either thinking 30 minutes per 1 yard, or the easier way, because it's when you're dealing with a rate, you don't think of driving 1 hour per 60 miles, right? You think of driving 60 miles per hour. So we're going to flip this, and we're going to put 1 yard per 30 minutes. Put the time on the bottom. So this is your rate. Okay. Again, these are equivalent conversion factors. You get 30 minutes takes you is equivalent to 1 yard when you're working. And your brother's rate is 1 yard per 45 minutes. Okay, so when you look at those are the amount of work that you can get done per time. And so if you want to figure out how much it takes the two of you to rake together, what you're going to do is take your rate, which is 1 over 30 yard per minute, times the amount of time you work. You're going to add that with your brother's rate, 1 over 45 yards per minute, times the same time, because you guys are presumably working together from start to finish. And you want that to equal the total number or the total amount of work that you want to get done. So it just says to rake the leaves, it's for that 1 yard. So is equal to 1, or 1 yard here. Okay, so when you look at these, you basically have 1/30th t plus 1/45th t is equal to 1. And so just if you solve that on your calculator, you'll get your solution. So again, we have solve 1 divided by 30, I'm going to use t, plus 1 over 45 t, set it equal to 1 complete yard being finished, and comma t, you want to solve for t, and so when you hit enter, it shows 18. So your time units is minutes, and so that's the amount of time that it would take.